Hello friends, I am the little master of this channel and I am going to describe about cities and villages. In city there are no plants. In city we buy everything with money. We buy everything with money. And in villages we go to city. Then we plant seeds. Then we plant this. See, it is the flower of this, and these are seed of it. That's why we live in village. And in village there, we not buy everything with money. We don't buy everything with money. We planted seeds. This papaya seed we planted over here and there, and that people plant, and those bananas and those guavas and that is guava, and those are blackberry plant. That one that is going very upper, that is blackberry one plant. That's why we live in village. And see, this is flower, and these are seed of it. And these are mustard of it. See, these are mustard of it. That is so open, and so these are green right now. It will be yellow after some days. And this yellow pipe of this is called, why the leaves are green? Because they absorb red, blue, and yellow, and orange, all the colors nine, but it not absorb green. That's why they are green leaves, and these are. That's why these. And why the flowers are yellow? Like this, why the leaf plant is green, like this, why this is pink, because it absorbs green, blue, yellow, and all the colors, but it don't absorb pink color. And why it is yellow? It has absorbed all the colors, and it don't absorb yellow color. That's why it is yellow. And after some time, they will be bigger and bigger and bigger. Then our grandfather will cut it and make mustard oil with it and sell on the market. Bye. Then we meet again in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.